Here we are at Lab Station 3. We are looking at bleach, and we are going to take great caution with this. While it is a household chemical, it is still dangerous. And so we look at the liquid, and we make all of our observations. I'm going to waft it. I'm wafting it, and I see that it has a very strong odor. There's a very strong odor. And I look at the liquid. I'm going to go ahead and touch it. It's extremely slippery. And because I just touched bleach, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands off. And I'm going to test it with the litmus paper. Or I'm going to make my predictions based on my observations. And now I'm going to test it with the litmus paper. Well, that's very interesting. It just turned clear. So that really didn't tell me much. It is bleach, and bleach sure does bleach the color out. So I don't know that litmus paper is the best test for this. And now we're going to try the pH paper. And, you know, it did the same thing. But I can see the line. The line there is, I'm going to compare that line to maybe a 9 or 10 or 11. Again, this is just not the best way to collect this data. So now I'm going to use the probe, put the probe directly down into the solution. I'm going to read the data collector. I'm going to watch these numbers just jump and jump. And this might take a little while. And so I have to ask myself, what is the best way to collect this data? Was it to use the pH papers or the litmus papers? Or is it the actual pH probe? And it looks like it's stopping right at 9.3 for the pH. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse off that electrode. And the last test I'm going to do is with the conductivity tester. Put it in the solution, and sure enough, can you see there that it is lighting up? It's not extremely bright. Oh, we can see it better there. It is definitely brighter than the other ones we've seen so far, but we are definitely noticing that it is conducting electricity. So is this an electrolyte, yes or no? And I'll leave you to fill in the rest of the columns.